Hi, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today, we're excited to unbox the new WD Black AN1500. It comes with a whopping 6500 megabit speed. It's an NVMe SSD add-in card, and it works with desktop PCs. You can get the RGB software for PCs for free when you get this card. So going inside the box, there's the card. It looks like it's made super well. There it is. This is the heatsink right here. Looks like the hard drive that they offer. Has a cover over the PCIe port right there. Here's the back. Nice metal right there. Here's the metal grill right here to provide some airflow through the case. Set that aside for just a second. Then we'll show you some details on the back of the box. You can pause the video and take a look at the details right there. It comes with a 5-year warranty. So like I said, it has up to 6500 megabit a second speed. It comes with the RGB, that's on top right here. And it goes all the way around the card to the edge. So if you have this in a case that's open or with visibility, you'll be able to see the cool colors coming off the top and the side of this 1 terabyte module. They have one that goes up to 2 terabytes, and this is the 1 terabyte module. This is the WD Black AN1500. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.